Jamaica, a land of vibrant culture and natural beauty, land of wood and water, where nature's bounty is endless. Sun-drenched beaches, lush green mountains, and breathtaking landscapes, reggae music, jerk chicken, vibrant culture. This is home, a place of warmth and joy. This is where our hearts belong, where memories are made. But for many Jamaicans living abroad, returning home is bittersweet, filled with mixed emotions. Yes, there's longing for the familiar, the sights and sounds of home, the warmth of the people, the rhythm of the island, the essence of Jamaica. But there are also worries, uncertainties that cloud the joy of returning. Life abroad brings new opportunities, new challenges, and a different way of living. Many Jamaicans leave seeking better lives, education, jobs, a chance to grow, a chance to build a future, to create a new path. Returning to Jamaica means facing a different reality, one that is both familiar and changed. This is the story of the Jamaican diaspora, caught between two worlds, two homes, the pull of home, the comfort of the familiar, the love of family, and the uncertainty of returning, of rebuilding a life in a place that holds both promise and pain, hope and hardship. Leaving Jamaica is never easy. It's a sacrifice. Leaving behind family, friends, the only life you've ever known. But sometimes it feels like the only choice. The economy in Jamaica can be a struggle. Jobs are scarce, wages are low. Many Jamaicans work tirelessly yet struggle to make ends meet. Abroad, there's hope for a better life. Sending money back home, supporting family, this becomes a priority. Years pass, new lives are built. Still, Jamaica remains in the heart. But what about returning? Can a life built abroad be transplanted back to Jamaican soil? This is the question that haunts many. The fear of starting over, of not having enough. The struggle is real. Jamaica, like any other country, faces challenges. Crime, violence. These are realities that cast a shadow over the island paradise. For Jamaicans abroad, these concerns are amplified. News from home travels fast. Stories of violence, of hardship, fuel anxieties. The decision to return becomes more complex. Safety for oneself, for loved ones. These become paramount concerns. Can they truly be safe back home? Can they offer their children a future free from fear? This fear is not to be dismissed. It is a reality that many Jamaicans grapple with, a barrier that stands between them and their homeland, a weight that pulls on their hearts. Despite the challenges, the longing for Jamaica never fades. It's a feeling that stays with you, no matter where you are in the world. The warmth of the people, their smiles, and their open hearts. The sound of laughter on a warm evening, echoing through the air. The taste of mangoes ripened under the Jamaican sun. Family ties run deep. Grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, all coming together. The fabric of Jamaican society is woven with these connections, creating a rich tapestry of life. They are the anchors that hold us steady, providing strength and stability. Phone calls, video chats, these become lifelines connecting us across miles. Ways to bridge the distance, to share stories, to feel connected even when far apart. But it's not the same as being there, feeling the presence of loved ones. The desire to return, to be surrounded by loved ones is powerful and ever-present. To share in their joys, to offer comfort in their sorrows, to be part of their lives. This is the pull of home, a magnetic force that draws us back. The yearning for a sense of belonging that transcends distance and time, a connection that never fades. I left Jamaica when I was 18. It was a bittersweet moment, filled with excitement for the future, but also a deep sense of leaving behind everything I knew. Studied hard, built a good life in America. I achieved milestones I had only dreamed of, from graduating with honors to landing my first job. But Jamaica is always on my mind. The memories of my childhood, the vibrant culture, and the warmth of the people never fade. I miss the food, the music, the unique flavors and rhythms that are the heartbeat of Jamaica. The way everyone knows each other. There's a sense of community that's hard to find elsewhere. Michael, 52, New York City. Despite the years and miles, Jamaica remains a part of me. I came back to Jamaica after 20 years in London. The decision was not easy, but it felt like coming full circle. It was hard at first. Adjusting to the changes and finding my place again took time. But now, I have my own business, a dream I nurtured for years. A house by the sea, Jamaica is home. Marcia, 45, Kingston. The island's beauty and spirit are unmatched. These stories are not unique. They resonate with many who have left and long to return. They are echoes of the Jamaican diaspora experience. Stories of sacrifice, of resilience, of dreams pursued and sometimes deferred. Of love for a homeland that holds both joy and heartache. The connection to Jamaica is a powerful bond. What will your story be? Will you follow your heart back to the island, or will you carry its spirit with you wherever you go? Will you return to Jamaica? The choice is deeply personal and often complex. Or will you find ways to keep the spirit of the island alive in your heart, wherever you may be? Share your thoughts, your experiences. Let's continue the conversation. Let's keep the connection to Jamaica alive. Together, we can honor our roots and celebrate our shared heritage.